Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Jim's got in store for us here.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So I've been kind of getting into, as you know, we do sell a lot of cigar, tobacco, advertising, lighters, etc. I've been kind of having a little bit of fun with these plug cuts. This is around the 1890s to 1910, cast iron. It's a McCallay tobacco company. Super neat. This is what they call a guillotine cutter. And this was for plug tobacco, like the outlaw Josie Wells when he's on the horse, you onto the bug. So it was a plug tobacco. They're typically about this big and about this thick, and you could buy the whole thing or you could buy a slice. So what they would do is they'd put it in here, and this was really super cool. And they would just guillotine it and take off the piece and give it to the customer. So this is all cast iron. I brought it in. I like to do them up kind of pretty. We did some paint on it, double-sided advertising. Everything's been glass meated, chrome plated. Super neat little cigar piece. And I mean, you can cut fruit with this. Don't put your finger in there. This will take it off like no tomorrow. Cast iron, 1890s, 1910-ish, McCallay Tobacco Company, plug cut, cast iron cigar tobacco cutter. It's really super cool. If you'd like it, we'll get it boxed up, get it right out to you. If you buy in the morning, we typically get it out that day. But, you know, thank you all for watching our videos. Make sure you put us on watch, you know, push the buttons. You'll see what we're doing. It really is quite nice. If you like this type of stuff, I suggest you watch what we do because it's A, educational, and B, it's a lot of fun. You don't have to buy nothing. It's on us. Anyway, thanks for watching this one and enjoy this here. Appreciate it. How you doing today? So we really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those three things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it. Folks, so another exciting thing which has come to the Mantiques network is we did a little deal with the Suicide Doors, which is a group that's really very popular right now. So they've kind of licensed us to put our music in the background of our videos, which we're super enjoying. We put a link to their music on our videos. So if you push the link, you get to check out more of their music as though as we've got it in the background of our videos. Check it out. We're certainly enjoying it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent, in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.